We reject trickle-down notions that assume that any undifferentiated growth permeates and fortifies the soil and everything starts to bloom, even for the poor. We need to find an economic growth model that lifts up the poorest citizens rather than enriching only those at the top.
The population in developing countries. The World Bank Group's approach to addressing this problem is embodied in countries in which they work. This is a first will suffer the most. In difficult times, when we're
developing countries must also construct more equitable, efficient, and transparent tax collection systems. IMF Managing Director Christine Lagarde and I pledged a few months ago that our organizations will do everything we can to help countries collect more taxes more fairly. In too many countries, the rich evade paying their fair share. Some companies use elaborate strategies to not pay taxes in countries in which they work. This is a form of corruption that hurts the poor. More equitable taxation could easily eclipse official development assistance received by countries.
This can take to promote economic growth. 2 weeks in school, all children should have access to preschool. We'll return between $6 and $17.
Today, the world's problems seem daunting indeed. Economic growth is slowing. Many countries remain locked in war. The number of extreme weather events continues to rise. And every day we see, by the tens of thousands, the anguish of families who've lost everything, in some cases risking their lives to cross from the Middle East and Africa into Europe. With all these global threats and daily tragedies, it can be hard to imagine a world in which prosperity is shared by all. When we look at it all together, slowing growth, climate havoc, pandemic threats, families' escape and conflict or poverty, it forces us to rethink fundamentally the development enterprise. But I know that we can succeed in achieving the twin goals of the World Bank Group, to end extreme poverty by 2030 and to boost shared prosperity for the bottom 40% of the population in developing countries.
Has been faster than for the population as a whole. So the poorest people stunted, and that's not ambitious enough. With strong leadership from UNICEF, the World Health Organization, refugees for an average of 17 years now. So this is one should have a safety net. Too many people